Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you cannot get notified when someone mentions your channel on YouTube. So, let's get started. Firstly, open YouTube app in your device. Then tap on profile icon. Next, tap on settings. After that, tap on notifications. Next, you can see the option of mentions. Turn off it by tapping on it. So, this is how you cannot get notified when someone mentions your channel on YouTube. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.